birthday, Evie. Happy birthday, Tito
Elvin
Vito.
and Evie. And Youngie.
I'm not Youngie God. I'm headed on a computer.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Jollibee.
Eat some.
Chicken Joy and eat everything on the menu.
No, we're going to chicken manchik, Imang Inasal.
I want to eat Jollibee.
Lang yung sabaw ng mga inasal na yun. Para bang lang, nakalagay sa telmos yun. Tapos siguro baka din nakalagay din yung sinigang
We have
mix
monkey
lang.
here as well.
Tsaka ano yun? Yung cubes.
We have monkey. Hello.
Yun they ask, ganun they last. O kasi di ba may libre sabaw? Maasim pang sinigang. Ang nakalagay sa telmos.
See you later.
Say a waiter, makakatriba from away.
Nakalagay lang dong yung baka yung
Goodbye. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Ferris wheel. Gonna pop.
Oh, where are you, Busa? Jollibee, are you? Liverpool. Oh, yes, si Evie, ah. Evie, say hello.
We're in Jollibee. This
Welcome
is
to
the Jollibee.
Liverpool. Ayan. Sa Liverpool. So, High Street sa Liverpool. John Lewis. Photo. Ay, may nagpa-picture pa. Oh. Ay, mga cameraman. Ayan, naging cameraman siya. Ayan, oh. Ito siguro from, I don't know, maybe from India or somewhere. Nakita ng kwan, camera woman. Ay, I can see the Jollibee now. I can see Jollibee there. Ari, ayun yung Jollibee, ayun. Over there.
I can't see.
I don't know, I see you. Hey, Jollibee.
Where? I can't see. Where? Jollibee.
The Real Greek.
Hey, can you see?
Ayan. Ayun. Katabi ng McDo. I can see it. Go guys later. Say Rolex, oh. Elvin. Lagan Rolex. Ito Tudor. Tag-Heuer. Coupe. Ito na, paglabas ng queue parking. Jollibee na. Sa Breitling. It's alright. Ay, Starbucks. North Face. It's High Street. North Face Starbucks. There are loads of stores. We're going there later. Ojon. It's Ojon. Oh, I'm going to Albert Dock over there. So HSBC. Next. And then there's a Jollibee. Chicken Joy.
Parito yun.
May spaghetti ka ba, Bunso? O chicken? Chicken bucket. I don't like spicy. Hindi ko na kayo mapicture ng maganda-ganda.
I'll just have a little more. I'm surprised people
Ano yung sa'yo?
chicken joy.
Pwede ka?
Chicken Jollibee. Yan o. Chicken Jollibee. What's up? Oh, where are you?
Liverpool.
Liverpool? Jollibee, ha? Yan din. Mga fans mo. Shout out.
Shout out sa fans.
Mga guys sa'yo.
Nalalamag.
Saka yung mga fans daw ni KMB. Kaya shout out sa inyo. Thank you for all the greetings. Wala nanay. Ayan, wala nanay. Na Darwin. Si Darren. Happy day. Happy birthday. Tita June. Yeah, Tita June. Who else?
Johnny.
Tagpe.
Johnny.
Tagpe.
Oh, brownie.
Ayan. Ito po tayo sa Jollibee. Jollibee Liverpool. Ayan. Tayo ng Chicken Joy. Kain po tayo. Ayan. Ito sa akin. Jenny din. Mama.
Pasok. Siya. Nakain ko na lang.
Yes, sige po. See you later. Kain na po kami. Ayan. Are you full now, Bunso? Are you full? Sleepy ka na. Ayan, finish na. Buto na lang po natira. Buto. Just always like bone. Ayan. Bigyan mo si JJ. Hindi mo sinama si JJ. Bigyan mo na lang ng chicken. Ayan, may spaghetti pa. Pasalubungan mo si JJ. Busog ka? Oo, nabusog ka pa. Main ako ng rice. Rice and spaghetti. Tsaka chips. Ayan. Jollibee. Langhap sarap. Dito lang po sa Liverpool. May high street ng Liverpool. Ayan, high street. Botton. Ayan. Side of Botton Street. Ayan, may Botton Street. Pipicturean sila ang dalawa. M&S. Ito. Yan o. Pinaka na radio station. 96.7 Radio City, Liverpool.
Picture pala. Ari.
Ayan.
Tayo naman ang mag-picture. Pwede na niya.
SAV.
Wala ako nag-iintay ng may makakausap eh.
Layo pala picturean niya. Welcome to New York. Kaya si Mos... Ay!
Going to the upside down house.
We're going to Albert Dock.
No, we're going to
Albert Dock here. There you go. Oh, upside down house.
Come on.
What's that? Upside down house pala yan. Come on. You need to pay. Yeah, look. Upside down ha. Mag-picture ka na lang. Yan, upside down house here. Go inside. Gonna be dizzy. Upside down house. It's okay, it's fine, fine.
Oh, Daddy, they've got the turning green thing.
Upside down house here.
Easy, come on. Huh?
Here's the house. This upside down house. Liverpool. Yo. I don't know what's inside. Outside, upside down thing. Eh, hindi ko alam. Lamig nga eh. Are you going inside? Oh, matagal yan eh.
Can see you.
Liverpool. River and pool. Liverpool. Yan. Ay, tubig. Teka lang, punta tayo doon sa kabila. Mas maganda doon eh. Oh, look also, what? Somebody's running there. Something's running up there. It's AI. So, bye-bye Liverpool. Sorry. Titi Bird. Yan o, malaki ng pan. Yung Titi Bird daw siya. Lumagay sa ilalim mo, Titi Bird daw siya. Ay, Titi Bird. Christmas light din. Christmas tree. Ayan o, daffodils. That's the daffodils.
I want to go sit in that big chair.
Which one?
I know there's a big chair.
Alin? Pwede. Oo. Kain ka dyan.
I've been here.
Sa Liverpool, Royal Albert Dock. Albert Dock. Babas. Arriba, arriba. Yan, sa arriba. Ayan na, may kwan. Scary, scary. Fishing ka dyan. Elvin, fishing. Fishing. Doon. Baka meron kang panghuli ng crab dyan. Panghuli ng crab. Teka, dito tayo.
I want to go take a picture of the big tree.
Which one? Tree? It's not a tree, it's a boy. You're gonna eat that. Ito, Albert Dock. Remember Boso, you dancing in there? Over there?
Oh, this is where it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's submarine. Yeah, there's submarine. And then I went.
May magdadance si Bunso doon, di ba?
Yeah.
Nagdadance siya. Tapos sa matanda. Ayan na. Museum of Liverpool. Museum of Liverpool over there. This building, I don't know this building. Daffodils. And this ship is like restaurant. The Maritime Museum. Hilton Hotel. Candy Flush. Donut and popcorn. Ayan. Sigalo yun. Hey. Ito sila. Ito po ang Albert Dock. Albert Dock. Diyan na tayong panano, yung may Titanic.
Can we go? Can we go?
May Titanic? Well, later on, we're going there. Look at the anchor, how big it is. Anchor's away.
Actually, let's see.
Yeah. Using it for anchor for the ship. Breakfast sandwich.
How can you get out of the building with no bottom bit of the steps?
Ito, diner na. Paso. Para ma-edit natin yan. Lagyan natin sa collection natin yan. Swimming. Crab tayo, Calvin. Crab. Huli ng crab dito. Ay, kabuti. Kasi daming tahong. Ano ba? Ano? Daming tahong.
Oo nga.
Libre ulam na yan.
Madami yan.
Kayo ha?
Tahong. Ayan, tahong. Ang dami. Diba sa ilalim? Isda lang, isda. Welding. Ayan o. Pwede na tayong stand dyan. Fishing. Okay na. May niya ng kwan. Automatic. Diner. Yan. Bus. London bus. Diner. Ayan.
Akala ko na malayo. Ay, ikot lang.
Alin? Ah, yan sasakay sa boat.
Akala ko na.
Dito lang. Ayun. Yan na boat.
Oh, this is where the tracks are.
Ay, dalawa. may boat. Ito lang sila. They gonna like round and round here. Maraming tahong. Yan, maraming tahong. Let's see it. Harry, be careful, ha? Ayan. Yan. Shaking. Itong may kulay na kabuti na ito. Hari, picture tayo dito. Sandali. Boulders with color. Colorful boulders. Ayan, taas. Supposed to happen. Boat trip.
Yeah, I said it out loud.
And who's that? No, that's that. I thought it's Elvis Presley.
No, it's not.
Billy Freely. Daming key dito. Bigla brown like in Palawan. It's turquoise, here is brown. So, welcome to Museum of Liverpool. We're inside of the museum. It's free entrance. It's gonna give some donation in here. Yan, si Kaya Elvin put some 10 pounds on that. See you. Nag-donate si Kaya Elvin. Very generous.
For the camera yun.
Ayan, mag-donate lang po kayo, free entrance. Ito. Mekano. Toilet lang, toilet. Ito lang. Looking for the money there. The donation box. Picture ni Mona Lisa nung araw. Yung mga early Europeans.
Ano pala yun eh, panahon mo na, Romans.
Romans? Mga early Europeans, ayan. 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 Yung mukha niya, ayan. Tapos, kakaroon. Ayun. Para na si Brad Pitt. On this ferry. So what can you see? Hedgehogs. Uy. What are you doing?
You can touch it.
Lily house. Ito, reindeer oh. Yung si Rudolph. Ito yung stone man oh. Ay, lumakad na yung kuwan. Stella Line. For docks and liners, Liverpool overhead railways. So may seaside on yan. You can sleep in there if you want. Ito mga rifle oh. Rifle, kanyon, yun, sabog. Brass. Ayan. Parang si George Washington na tatong ako, Alvin ah. Parang ano George Washington. Uniform. Ay yung mga rifle nung araw. The old rifles. Yung mga bayonet. Yan. Na helmets. Ano? Machine gun. Machine gun. Yung machine gun nila oh. Browning. Ayan, mag rifle, garan. Light garan. Yung mga kuwan. Uniform ng Scottish. What? Oo nga.
May grease gun. Thompson.
Thompson ano?
Grease gun doon.
Eh, Thompson oh. Thompson. Ito, ano tawag dito? Comment down below. Hindi baliktad.
Grease gun.
Grease gun. Ayun, parang garan yun. Parang garan. Parang helmet pala to ng kan eh. Helmet ng German eh. Ayan. Mga bayoneta yan oh. Bayonet. Dami. Mga uniform nila. During World War II. Yan pang World War II. Right. Yung ano, samurai. Ayan, ganda ng baril nito. Baligtad yung magazine. Oh, ano yan?
It's a gun.
Oh yeah. It's a real gun. It's a real British Army gun. Kasmas. Alvin, ano yung baril nito? Ayan. Bagong baril na yan. Galing nga nandun yung magazine sa ilalikod.
May number ba?
Yes, army. Oh, are ah. Chuchu ba? Ah. Yan, pa ni Andre yan. Oh, pati. Pati. Shout out. Shout out to Andre. How about that one, Polska? Shout out ka na, Shoutout mo na yung fan mo dyan. Mga friends mo. Pick it up. Hurry. Just pick it up. Not supposed to messing around here. Put it in the bin. Alin? Polska. The museum? Museum tour? Oo nga eh. Ano yan? Nagkakatubig din dyan? Ano? Galing ano? Ito yung museum ng Liverpool.